here's the first twist.
So the story is about two doctors who got married back in 1994. 4 years later, in 98, their son was born. And the wife, Dr. Malathi Ravi, moved to her parents' house, which, was a pretty common custom in India after childbirth. But here's the thing. The separation just kept going. In 1999, she starts her postgraduate studies in a different city, a move her husband later said he was never even told about. So by 2001, they'd been living apart for years, and the husband finally filed for divorce.
The husband's entire case was built on one very specific legal idea. So what did the first court have to say? The whole thing hinged on one question. Was this desertion?
Now, let's just be super clear on what desertion actually means in the eyes of the law. It's not just about living in different houses. To prove desertion, you need two key ingredients. First, the physical act of leaving, and second, the intention to permanently end the marriage. And this has to happen without the other person's consent for at least 2 years straight. You have to prove both or you've got nothing.
So here's the first twist. The family court looked at all the facts and basically said, nope, they ruled there was no desertion. And why? Because they couldn't find any proof that the wife intended to permanently walk away from the marriage. See, her moving for postpartum care and then for her studies, the court saw that as a justified reason to be away, not a final nail in the coffin.